I will tell you what is temperature. Temperature. You know that temperature means hotness and coldness. Hotness and coldness of a body. Temperature tells us what is a body's hotness ki coldness. If a body is cold, so we say temperature is below. If the temperature is high, so we say the temperature is higher. Two things are very commonly which you know that. In the temperature scale, temperature is Fahrenheit, Celsius and also called Kelvin. So Celsius is a small quantity, Fahrenheit is the greater than Celsius and Kelvin is a smaller than. You know the formula is Fk. The value we found F minus 32 यानी minus 32 upon 9 C upon 5 is the formula is relation between C and F. In the Kelvin we also know 273 plus degree Celsius. What is the normal temperature of human body? In a thermometer, you also, what is the reading? 37 degrees Celsius. And in Fahrenheit, 98.7. 98, I don't know, but 98.7. This is the combination, is hotness and the coldness of the body. These three things are related to measure units of the temperature. In the SI unit, the temperature is Kelvin. We take in 273 temperature. You know, in 273 below the temperature. Suppose it is a number line in 0 degree Celsius. In 100 degrees Celsius, the boiling of water. What is boiling of water? In freezing of ice. But in the negative 273 minus means in the 273 the volume of a gas is 0. In 273 the volume of a gas is not exist. So that is the 273. Now in the 273 we upon. Now in our fridge where ice fall, you see 0 degree centigrade temperature is a below. This is the basic line for the measurement of the temperature. But the upon 100 degree centigrade, the below the minus 273 degree centigrade. In this temperature minus the volume of a gas is not exist. So I tell you the temperature SI unit is Kelvin, hotness and the coldness of it, degree of hotness and degree of it. You know that the degree of hotness and the degree of coldness of the body, if the below the temperature is called colder, higher hotness, 3 basic units Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin. The formula is F minus 22 upon 9 is equal to C upon 5. In K 273 degree centigrade plus centigrade 273 plus degree Celsius. in thermometer, the basic human body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. In the Fahrenheit, always we all thermometer is applying our armpit and here in the mouth. 98.7 Fahrenheit. The higher is Kelvin. You know the basic number 9. This is it. 0 degree centigrade. The upper temperature is higher and the lower, like just in the whole size. Minus 100 degrees Celsius, minus 200 and minus 273 degrees Celsius. This is the basic thing of the temperature. You know that? You also solve this. It is a very basic question. You can solve this in my last lecture. So hopefully you understand the temperature. What is the temperature? The basic thing of the temperature. Also, temperature is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity.